Do you know you could be earning money right now just by chatting? No phone calls, no selling of any items, just answering simple messages from your phone or your laptop. Now, this particular website is for you if you have a mobile phone and data connection, and if of course you are 18 years or 23 years and above. This could be your next side hustle or even your main income, depending on which one you choose to actually place it. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, this is Kemi of Self Hustle, and all we do here is to upload videos about how we can make money online, upscale our financial lives, and side hustles that we can do from the comfort of our homes. If this looks like something you like, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, as this actually encourages us to make more videos. If at this point you have not joined our Telegram channel, please do want to hit the link in the description or the first comment in the comment section to join our Telegram channel, because we'll be uploading a lot of content about how you can actually make money online, how you can work with Nigerian companies that are looking for remote workers here in Nigeria. And shout out to our top commenters and our top gifters. We have Marcel Injoku 56, thanks for the super thanks, and we also have our top commenter as well. Thank you guys, shout out to you guys. With that being said, let's head straight into the video. So this is of course not a scam, it is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a real opportunity with real weekly payment, and it is all happening on chatoperatorjobs.com, which I'm sharing right now. The secret website I'm sharing with you guys. Thousands of people are already making money by simply responding to chat messages online, and the best part is you don't need any experience, you don't need any certifications, you don't even have to show your face, you don't need any degree. And above all, you do not need to invest any money on this platform. This is a free platform that you can actually start with, and there are real people on this platform. In fact, you don't need to make any phone calls whatsoever or receive any video calls whatsoever. All they do on this particular platform is strictly messages. You respond to anonymous messages because you'll be seen as anonymous. Nobody knows your details and your secret is actually safe. So guys, let me show you how it works. On chatoperatorjobs.com, you can sign up to become a chat operator and get paid to reply to written messages. You will earn between 13 to 19 cents per message, and many operators actually make up to $500 a week just by staying consistent. So on this particular platform, if you stay consistent, you can make nothing less than $500 weekly, because they pay out weekly on this particular platform. And also there are real people. In fact, it has no age limit except for the starting age of 23 years old. But even if you're 50 or 49 or 59, you can still sign up on this website and be making money. For instance, there are a lot of females on this particular website, so if you're a lady, this should be your go-to. If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student looking for a side hustle to actually make money online and get busy, this should actually be your go-to. It also says that as a chat operator, you can earn additional income and independence from the thriving chat industry. ChatJob offers a fun, flexible, and credible way to earn additional income. What's more is we'll pay to your PayPal account weekly, and it is guaranteed. Whether you want to work a little or a lot, why not apply today? You could be earning with us in a matter of hours. So once you apply on their website, they check through your page or they check through your information in just a few hours, and then you start making money with them on this platform. Also, there are some things that you actually need if you're signing up on this platform. You must be at least 23 years old, because this is a platform, this is a chat platform. Anything can happen while you're chatting, so they need people with matured minds, people that can actually take things on an easier or a lighter note. Have solid English writing skills. You must be able to write complete sentences, you must be able to write good English. Also, you must be ready to work from your phone, your tablet, or your computer. Also, you must commit to answering at least 75 messages across 3 weeks. So this means that if you're signing up on this platform, you have to be serious with answering their messages. Within the space of 3 weeks, you should be able to answer 75 messages. If not, they'll kick you out of their platform, because they're actually here to make money, and they're serious with what they do. You will also be working as a self-employed contractor. Yes, you will be your own boss. Nobody will tell you to do this and that. So you are in full control of your schedule, and yes, you're responsible for your own taxes. So if you stay in Africa or any country in the world that actually require you to pay taxes, that will actually be your own, business. This is perfect way to stay at home moms, students and side hustlers, or anyone looking to make money online. If you have watched this video to this level and you have not liked our video, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share this video to anyone out there, maybe a mom, a student, a worker, 9-to-5 worker that is looking to make money, or just anybody looking to actually make money with side hustles online. With that being said, guys, if you are ready to earn, you need to understand that there are websites here that I'll be sharing with you on different platforms that will actually help you in making money online. Now take a look at this lady. She said the money helps me buy those little extras. This is another worker. Working from home is a flex. There's also a flexible way to work on this website. You actually choose what you want to do. It says we are seeking open-minded home admin workers to answer typed messages from our chat website. All you have to do is to work from some certain hours in a day. And also the money you make on this particular website depends on how much hours and time you can actually devote on this particular website. And $0.13 to $0.19 for every message you answer on your cell phone, tablet or PC. You can work part-time or full-time and no experience necessary, and you can start almost immediately. So what they're saying is they pay you per message, so you get paid for each message you receive. So that's why they are saying you must receive at least 75 messages in the space of 3 weeks. So each message, depending on your level, once you start chatting on their website, your level starts ranking. They have the beginner friendly level to the expert level. So depending on your level, you get paid $0.13 to $0.19. Also, their payment method is through PayPal. So like I have listed, basically there are some general requirements that you must meet. Due to the nature of our website or network. You must be open-minded. I've said that before. You must have good grammar and fluent English skill with no text at speak, or you don't have to be shortening words on this platform. You must answer a minimum of 75 messages. Like I have also said, payment is weekly and it is into your PayPal account. This is a self-employed contractor position, and also you must be 23 years or older. They need mature people on this platform. So if you know that you can accept things, like you can take things without reacting super fast to some things, this is your go-to website. There are also some Q&A if you are interested in looking out their Q&A, what type of questions actually get asked on their website. They have questions like, what do I need to get started? They have a lot of questions on their website that they actually automated the answers for you to actually get started using their platform. So with that being said, let's look at the type of questions they have on their platforms, and also the type of answers they've actually, or they are willing to give for those questions on their platforms. What do I need to get started? All you need is either a cell phone or a tablet or a PC and connection to the internet. It said, when and how do I get paid? We pay you guaranteed weekly to your PayPal account. We currently pay thousands of admins the same way each week, and I've done that for the past years. So if you don't even have a PayPal account, you can get someone that has a PayPal account and use their PayPal. How much can I expect to make? How much money you make depends on how much work you put out. Some admins earn up to like $500 a week. Others just enjoy a little extra spending their money. It also says, will my real details ever be released? Now their response is absolutely not. You will simply be logging into our web portal and replying to messages safely and anonymously. So nobody knows who they are chatting with, nobody knows who is responding from the other end, and nobody sees you. Also, when you click on the apply, the first thing you input is your first name, your last name, your date of birth. You also choose if you are from the United States or from other countries. You input your email, you input the number of hours or days that you can offer to actually chat on their platform. All successful applicants will be emailed with further instruction on how to proceed with their application. So with that being said, guys, if you have watched this video to this level and you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And also understand that this particular website I am sharing with you is actually based on research, and also you can actually make this particular website your side hustle website or more. So if you're ready to earn real money from home with just your fingertips, don't wait. Head over to chartoperatorjobs.com right now and start your application. Your work from home journey can begin today. And guys, if up to this level you have not liked this video, please like this video and also drop a comment, because on our next video we'll be doing this shout out again for our top commenters and our top gifters. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.